Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download datasets from AWS Marketplace for ML step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the AWS Marketplace website. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type datasets in the search bar and press enter. Browse through the available datasets to find one that suits your needs. Click on the dataset title to view its details and features. Review the dataset description to ensure it meets your requirements. Check the pricing details and any usage restrictions listed. Read the terms and conditions presented and accept them if you agree. After subscribing, you will be redirected to a page with the dataset information. Locate the Get It Now button and click on it to proceed. You may need to configure a few options, such as region or delivery method. Select your preferred options and then click on the Launch button. Once the dataset is launched, go to the My Datasets section in your account. Find the dataset you just downloaded among your collections. Follow the provided instructions to download the dataset to your local machine. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and tools installed for the download. Once the download is complete, verify the integrity of the dataset files. Extract the files if they are in a compressed format. You are now ready to use the dataset for your machine learning projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.